My dear students, welcome to Zoology platform. Today we will learn about the functions of Golgi complex. Golgi complex is the most important cell organelles that is found in eukaryotic organisms. It performs various functions. We can say that this forms a transporting site and it acts like a zomato of the cell which delivers various secretory products to outside of the cell, and it is also responsible for the formation of acrosome on the spermatozoa. Let us see all these functions one by one in slides. Golgi complex releases the various products of cells. This is its first function. The most important function of Golgi complex is secretion of various products. It may be enzymes, or it may be hormones, or it may be any fluid, and the secretory function is accomplished or achieved by Golgi complex. For example, various exocrine glands secrete enzymes, endocrine glands secrete hormones, and salivary glands secrete saliva, lacrimal glands secrete tears. All these secretory possibilities or all the secretory functions of these various glands are attributed to the presence of Golgi complex. Processing and packaging of secretory products is also accomplished by Golgi complex. This is very important. Endoplasmic reticulum may synthesize certain material, but these materials will be in turn handed over to the Golgi complex for further processing, and packaging is also important. In the previous slide, I have also compared this Golgi complex as the zomato of cell. So this processes and packs the various materials that are synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi complex also plays a major role in the secretion of mucus, tears, saliva, hormones and enzymes. It also forms a transporting channel. Yesterday, while discussing about endoplasmic reticulum, we have mentioned about membrane flow and also reverse flow. In this transport route, Golgi complex also forms a very important link. Acrosome of sperm is developed by Golgi complex. Golgi complex is responsible for forming proacrosomal granule, which is later converted into acrosomal granule. After this, acrosomal vesicle is formed. Acrosome contains, of course, various digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes do not mean that they are associated with the function of digestion of foodstuffs, but these digestive enzymes that are associated with acrosome are responsible for diluting or digesting or lysing the egg membrane. Especially in eutherian mammals, the acrosome contains digestive enzymes like hyaluronidase and acrosine. These enzymes break down the outer membrane of the ovum called the zona pellucida, allowing the haploid nucleus in the sperm cell to join with the haploid nucleus in the ovum. That means in the absence of acrosome, fertilization cannot take place because the sperm cannot penetrate into egg membrane in the absence of acrosome. So like that, fertilization is accomplished or achieved by Golgi complex. So acrosomal formation is another function of Golgi complex. Golgi complex also actively participates in the cell wall formation of plant cell. It facilitates the formation of cell plate also. It forms plasma membrane and also lysosomes. So like that, Golgi complex has got multiple functions to its credit. Lipid packaging and secretion are the duties of Golgi complex. We have learned that lipids or fats are synthesized in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is very active in the manufacture of lipids, but lipids are packed and processed by Golgi complex. Manufacture of the lipids is undoubtedly done in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, but whereas the packaging of lipids is done by Golgi complex. Of course, this slide we have already explained regarding the function of acrosome, which contains enzymes namely hyaluronidase and acrosine, which are responsible for the breakdown of zona pellucida, which is nothing but an egg membrane, thereby facilitating fertilization. Golgi complex also synthesizes neurosecretory components. Golgi complex is also involved in pigment formation and sulfate metabolism. This sulfate metabolism is very important bit. So Golgi complex, another function, most important function is it also takes part in sulfate metabolism. So these are the various aspects about the functions of Golgi complex. Thank you very much.